everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Valon mortgage account online. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in valon.com/login. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Valon. You can see over here, you'll directly be able to log into your account. If you do not have the account yet, you'll be able to find the option for register now. Simply click on it and you'll be able to register for your account. But if you already have the account, what you have to do is enter your email and password. Click on the field of email and provide your email address over here. Make sure to provide the correct email address. Now click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. You can simply sign in with your Google account. For that, what you have to do is click on this option sign in. Or if you have entered the credentials, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Valon mortgage account online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.